Today on Crag Builds, we're going to make an accent wall. Stay tuned.
Welcome to another Crag video.
Accent walls have become extremely popular. This right here is the glue that we use. I'm going to put a link in the description for that. This is our guy doing this. I think it's around a 12-foot accent wall. And we are using just floor LVP, just normal floor luxury vinyl plank, which is something that can be done very easily and quickly. Anyone can do this. So I'm going to follow along and just tell you what he's doing as we're going. And right now he's going to apply the glue to the very first piece. He's got everything sanded, cleaned up, got a clean space to put it. We call this buttering the panel, but he's glued it up. He's setting it in place. The starter strip, the first strip on the bottom, is the most important to get that level and straight. Yeah, I'm not sure where this job was. I'm not sure why they chose to match the color to the floor. I probably wouldn't have done that, but in any case, you can see that he's getting this first starter strip taken care of, making sure it's level. If he needs to, you'll see along through this video where he's tapping it down to make sure things are tight and straight. And that's the most important thing. It's really kind of hard to screw this up. They all lock together, just like a laminate floor or anything else. They have little ridges that just lock together. And I'm going to speed this up a little bit so we're not here for 3 hours. I'll let this run a little bit. And then we picked it up as he got further up here. So you can see that it looks very nice. It's very tight. He's going to put a little trim on that corner, the right corner. And it changes the look of this house, when you walk in the door. It's going to improve the look and potentially, the value a little bit by adding accent walls. And I'm going to put up some other videos of other accent walls that we do where we use 1x2 strips. There's lots of designs you can create with accent walls. The only potentially difficult part on this is trimming out that little AC box, but you can just remove the box, put the material under it, and if you have to get a little bit longer screws, you can just reinstall it that way. But you can see how beautiful of an end product this is. It's inexpensive. If that's an 8-foot wall and it's 12 foot long, that's 96 square foot of product. So it's very inexpensive. The glue's inexpensive. And this is something you can do and save yourself hundreds of dollars in labor. You can see here in the end, we end up with a beautiful accent wall. Not hard, inexpensive. You should try it. Subscribe, comment. Have a great day.